Also breaking tonight, a federal judge has dismissed a lawsuit filed against Rhode Island's truck toll system.
It's a story we've been following now for years. Eyewitness News reporter Ted Nesi broke the story on WDPRI.com and joins us now live in studio with what happens next. Ted?
Mike Shannon, we've been waiting for this decision from federal Judge Will Smith for a while now, and there's good news for both sides in his ruling. The trucking industry filed this suit to stop the truck tolls last July, only a month after the system got up and running, as you see there. In his ruling today, the judge said he was tossing out the case because it was filed in the wrong court. He says this issue should be decided by a state judge, not a federal judge. Of course, that means the trucking industry still could file a new case at the state level or potentially appeal today's ruling. We also just received a statement from Governor Raimondo's spokesperson reacting. He says, in part, truck tolls are a key way to ensure that the vehicles causing the most damage to our roads help contribute to their repairs, and the court made the right decision in dismissing this suit. And I also spoke a short time ago with Rhode Island Trucking Association CEO Chris Maxwell. He downplayed the judge's decision because he says it's only about where the suit should be filed, not whether the truck tolls are legal. He also said the National Trucking Group will now need to decide whether to keep this legal battle going. Ted Nesi, Eyewitness News.
But first, breaking news, a federal judge has dismissed a lawsuit filed against Rhode Island's truck toll system.
It's a story we've been tracking for years. Eyewitness News reporter Ted Nesi broke the story on WDPRI.com and is live in our studio with what happens next. Ted?
Mike Shannon, this is a significant decision, but it may not be the end of the legal battle over truck tolls. The whole debate, of course, goes back to 2016 when lawmakers approved Governor Raimondo's nearly $5 billion roadworks infrastructure plan, paid for partly with tolls on large commercial trucks. The trucking industry sued to stop the tolls last summer, but this afternoon a judge threw out their case, saying they filed it in the wrong court. He says the suit should actually be brought in state court. A spokesperson for the governor tells us she's pleased with the ruling because she sees the truck tolls as crucial to repairing Rhode Island's decaying bridges. But the head of the Rhode Island Trucking Association downplayed this development, telling me in an email, "Nothing in Judge Smith's decision speaks to the merits of our claims, only the venue in which we need to bring them." Now, the question, of course, is whether the industry will decide to appeal today's ruling or file a new case in state court. Maxwell says that decision will have to be made by the National Trucking Association. In the meantime, the Department of Transportation is planning to install 10 more truck toll gantries starting this spring. Ted Nesi, Eyewitness News.